Hello, everyone. I'm Alicia. Welcome to Mission Vocab. Today's advanced English vocabulary word is corroborate. Corroborate is a verb that means to support a statement, claim, theory, or account by providing additional evidence or confirmation. For example, the witness's phone records helped corroborate her story, showing she was near the office when the meeting actually took place. The scientist repeated the experiment several times to corroborate the original results before presenting the findings to the research committee. Several emails appeared to corroborate the employee's complaint, confirming that the problem had been reported long before the investigation began. Synonyms for corroborate include confirm, verify, support, substantiate, and validate. Corroborate is common in formal, legal, academic, and investigative contexts. It usually means extra evidence supports something, not simply that someone agrees with it. That's corroborate, one word, stronger English.